One person has been detained as far as the fresh stone pelting witnessed just an hour ago in Jahangirpuri is concerned. My colleague Shankar Anand is also joining on this. Shankar, ये पथराव जो अक्यूज्ड हैं एक जिनका वीडियो में चेहरा सामने आया है, क्या उनके घर पे हुआ और उनके जानकार लोगों ने किया? पुलिस क्या कह रही है?
देखिए, दिल्ली से पूछताछ और उसको हिरासत में लेने के लिए गई थी और उसी दौरान में पुलिस कर्मियों पर पथराव किया गया, जिसमें कि दिल्ली पुलिस के एक इंस्पेक्टर हैं जिनका नाम सत्येंद्र खारी है, लगी है।
Okay, Shankar, your audio is not very clear. But what we know right now, and this has come from the Delhi police, is that a team of theirs had gone to inquire about this one accused who was caught in a video firing at a crowd during the violence in Jahangirpuri. That is what the video suggests. And they had gone to Jahangirpuri to inquire about that individual and talk to the family members. And that's when some fresh stone pelting has occurred. A few bricks have been thrown at the police. Yes, Shankar Anand is back with us. Yes, Shankar.
दिल्ली पुलिस की जो टीम है आज वो जहांगीरपुरी इलाके में गई थी और वहां पर कुछ आरोपियों से पूछताछ करना था और कुछ लोगों को हिरासत में लेना था। तो जब टीम वहां पे पहुंची उसके बाद अचानक उस पर पत्थरबाजी हुई और पत्थरबाजी की वजह से दिल्ली पुलिस का एक इंस्पेक्टर घायल हुआ है जिसका नाम सत्येंद्र खारी बताया जा रहा है। हालांकि उसकी जो तैनाती है वो इस दिल्ली की है, लेकिन वहां पे उन्हें डिप्लॉय किया गया था। तो उनके जिस तरह से वहां पे पत्थरबाजी की गई है, तत्काल मौके पे जो पुलिस पहुंची थी उसके द्वारा एक शख्स को, जो आरोपी शख्स है जो पत्थरबाजी में शामिल था, उसे हिरासत में लिया गया है और हिरासत में लेने के बाद आगे बात की जा रही है। इसके दिल्ली आरोपियों को जहांगीरपुरी हिंसा मामले में गिरफ्तार गया है और गिरफ्तार करने के साथ साथ अभी कई अन्य आरोपियों से इस मामले में पूछताछ की जा रही है और इसी पूछताछ के लिए, इसी मामले की इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए आज क्राइम ब्रांच की टीम अलग अलग लोकेशन पे जाकर के इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है और पूछताछ कर रही है। लेकिन जिस वक्त में अभी तकरीबन आधा घंटा पहले जब क्राइम ब्रांच की टीम एक लोकेशन में पहुंची, उसी साथ में सत्येंद्र खारी नाम के एक इंस्पेक्टर भी थे जो वो साथ में गए हुए थे। तो उस पर जब पथराव किया गया तो उसी पथराव में वो घायल हुए हैं और पथराव होने के बाद तत्काल मौके पे जो पुलिस टीम थी एक आरोपी को गिरफ्तार की है। अभी फिलहाल उसे हिरासत में लेकर के उससे पूछताछ की जा रही है और हिरासत में लेने के बाद उससे ये भी पूछताछ किया जा रहा है क्या वो अपने मन से किया है या किसी और के कहने पर वो पथरावबाजी किया है। तो एक तरह से कह सकते हैं इस मामले की गंभीरता को देखते हुए उस इलाके में सुरक्षा व्यवस्था भी काफी बढ़ाई गई है। इसके साथ साथ अलग अलग दिल्ली है और अलग अलग इलाके में इस मामले की तफ्तीश कर रही है। क्राइम ब्रांच की 14 टीम बनाई गई है जो इस पूरे मामले का इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है। क्राइम ब्रांच को जैसे ही मामला ट्रांसफर किया गया उसके बाद ये 14 टीम अलग अलग तरीके से इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है। इसके साथ ही जो सोशल मीडिया विंग जो है वो अलग से एक इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है और स्पेशल सेल की जो टीम है, दिल्ली पुलिस जो स्पेशल सेल है, जो विशेष तौर पर जो सोशल मीडिया और इसके साथ ही डिजिटल एविडेंस को इकट्ठा करने में जुटी है। तो निश्चित तौर पे कहा जा सकता है कि दिल्ली पुलिस इस मामले की गंभीरता को देखते हुए अलग अलग टीम बना करके अलग अलग टास्क सबको दिया गया है और उसी टास्क के मद्देनजर ये तमाम इन्वेस्टिगेशन को बेहतर तरीके से अंजाम दिया जा रहा है।
जी, Shankar Anand, thanks a lot for joining us. Certainly a lot of eyes on Delhi police. As I was mentioning, of course, the onus is falling on them on why such a rioting took place on Saturday and why is the situation still such that even the police is coming under attack. Of course, the individuals responsible have to take responsibility for their actions. And if you're an adult, it doesn't really matter if somebody asked you to pelt stones or you did it of your own volition. That's irrelevant. But I want to go across to my colleague Nikhil also, who continues to be there. So Nikhil, in these visuals that CNN News 18 captured, there is that one individual who's seen at the rooftop of a house. I'm guessing that's the person who's been detained.
So they were, as far as the details are concerned, Shivani, there were, other persons as well who were present on that particular rooftop. So the legal action has been initiated against those people who were present there, who were pelting the stones on the police party, who were present, down on the ground. So as far as the details are concerned, one person has been detained so far. If another is also there, then the teams have already been formed. They are, on the ground zero. They are checking as to who others could possibly be there, because what we had seen at that particular incident, because CNN News 18 team was right there at the ground zero, they were seeing that stones were being pelted from there, and even the brick, that the big brick was directly thrown to the female police personnel, and it had rightly hit on the calf of that police personnel. So this is what the details are all about. This is also going to raise some questions over the Delhi police as well, that on the one side they are claiming that the situation is gradually returning to the normalcy. On the other side, we are seeing that despite the huge investigation, there is no act of shame. There is no sign of shame or fear on the writers who are seen there, because these are not the laymen, as we have earlier mentioned, Shivani. This is clearly the act of the professional writer who have been doing it earlier as well. And out of 23 who have been arrested so far, the details also suggest that 8 of them have previous history as well. Some were, involved in the robbery, or some were the bad character, which is so-called the BC of that particular area. So this is the details are all about. So as of now, as per the details which are shared by Delhi police as well, that the investigation is going to be even widened. The digital evidences are also being collected. The phone tapping is also being done for, the digital tapping along with the phone tapping is also taking place.
For the
to
benefit
zero
of our
down that
viewers,
who
can you
possibly
also
could be
outline
the main conspirators?
Can you also outline just how many people have been arrested? How many more are under the scanner? Clearly, this individual who's seen firing a firearm in the blue kurta is one person that the police is looking out for. And that's the investigation they were trying to do in Jahangirpuri today. But how many people have been arrested? Do people who have been arrested have, criminal antecedents? Is the police aware of their past history?
So Shivani, until yesterday evening, 21 was the number of the persons who have been accused by the Delhi police to have been apprehended. Out of them, 2 were sent for the police custody, others were sent for the judicial custody. If we talk about the figures of today, the Delhi police have already sent their different teams in this sensitive area. They are roaming in different places. They have a list of people, list of accused. Along with their addresses, they are reaching on that particular spot. We have sent earlier visuals as well, that how the special staff of Delhi police is nabbing those accused, and they are being taken away into the custody. They are being put behind the bars. So they have a series of the names, and all the the accused persons are now witnessing the police members who are reaching on that particular doorstep. So in the coming hour or in the days to come, the number of arrests are likely to be increased, because the teams have been formed, and as we were mentioning earlier as well, even the CCTV areas, Shivani, are also being checked thoroughly by the police personnel. The Delhi police has already said that the investigation is going to be broadened. In every nook and corner, whatever the evidences are collected will then be further produced in the court of law. This is the reason why the FSL team, the forensic team of the Delhi, they reached at the C block of the Jahangirpur area at about 8:45 a.m. So despite, also as of now, they are present here, they are collecting all the evidences. They had also gone to the mosque as well, on that particular masjid from which the stones were pelted.